chemistry in this subject. Now students, in this our subject we have divided our total 11th standard chemistry subject into 4 different categories like physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and analytical chemistry or industrial chemistry. Now students, all the syllabus which is provided by the Maharashtra State Board, that we are going to divide different chapters into the different sections. Now according to that we will learn the different kinds of chapters in this our syllabus. Now first of all, I will welcome to all 11th standard students who have taken the admissions to the different colleges. And students, now in these situations the online teaching is very important factor that you have to face, and all the things that keeping in your mind like these situations, how to handle or how to learn different kinds online, that you have to make according to your situations. And through all these situations you have to learn the different kinds, that is you have to make the preparations of theory as well as JEE, NEET and CET examinations. So students, by keeping all these things in your mind, we will start with our syllabus, that is chemistry 11th standard Maharashtra State Board new syllabus. In that syllabus, students, first of all we come across this chapter, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. Now students, in this chapter we will start with basic things. Means in your 10th standard you have got the subject science and technology. In that science and technology subject you have learned some chemistry chapters also, some physics chapters also, and some biology chapters also. Means your 10th standard science and technology syllabus is the combination of all these things. And do not forget all these things that you have to learn in different subjects now in your 11th standard. So first of all we will start with our chemistry syllabus. Now students, some chapters which are present at your 10th standard, they will be included in physics as well as in biology also. When you are going to compare both the books, that is 11th standard Maharashtra State Board book as well as 10th science and technology book, you will notice some similarities in the name of the chapters as well as the concepts which you have got in the 10th standard. But students, here also we will go in detail of each subject. Now before going to start this chapter, first of all I will take some example which you are going to face in your daily life. Then we will start with this basic concepts of this chapter. Okay, students, you already seen some acids and bases in your daily life, and many more examples you already know. As well as students, you have got some different kinds of reactions in the chapter of chemical reactions at the 10th standard. The extension of that part we will learn in the organic chemistry of this syllabus. Means those chapters which are present in organic chemistry, that we are going to learn in detail of that concepts in organic section. And physical chemistry is a section which where you will learn some different kinds of measurements, or we can say the matter or the different kinds of state changes, all these concepts that you will learn in the physical chemistry chapters, and some chemical reactions which are based on time factor, chemical kinetics, and some solutions. All these concepts you will learn in the physical chemistry section. Now students, these are the different kinds or the different bases by which we can divide all the chapters into different sections. So this is about what you can say the your previous knowledge which you have got in science and technology at 10th standard, and that we will extend in our 11th standard chemistry syllabus. Now students, now we are interested in to start this chapter, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. This is the first chapter of your 11th standard chemistry syllabus. Now we will start with introduction. Now students, in introduction what we will learn, some basic concepts which you have already learned. In that, chemistry is the subject. First of all, we will see what is meant by chemistry and its definition also. Chemistry is a study of matter, its physical and chemical properties, and physical and chemical changes it undergoes under different conditions. So this is the concept of chemistry, and all these processes we will learn in this chapter. And we can also define it as a chemistry is a central science. Its knowledge is required in the studies of physics, biology, as well as in different subjects also. Means this is a broad subject. Means, for example, if we take an example of a plant that divide into the biology subject, and zoology also comes under that category. But for the different kinds of study of chemicals present in that plant, or we can say animals, we should take or we require the help of chemistry. Means all the chemical studies which we are going to do with the help of only chemistry subject. So this is a very important subject. There is no any matter is present in which the chemistry is not present. So students, this is a compulsory subject for 11th and 12th standard, not like maths and biology. So by considering all these details, we have to study in detail of this chemistry subject. Now students, whenever by knowing the importance of this chemistry subject, we should also focus on our syllabus at the same time. So whenever you are going to learn the chemistry, you have to make sure that you are going to learn some basic things also. From basic, once you have started the learning of this chemistry subject, then you will get number of ideas. While studying, you will not get any trouble, as you know the different basic concepts of this subject. So this is the importance of chemistry. What you are going to see with your syllabus also, you will notice that different areas of the chemistry have covered in your syllabus. Means if you want to study the chemistry of any material, then you have to go through the special area of that chemistry subject. Now students, the science and technology nowadays has increased its wide area. So in all these concepts, the chemistry is the very important or the heart of all these subjects. Before going to start this syllabus, you should know the importance of this subject. So that's why we have already explained all the details, and your textbook also, and in many research journals as well as in different kinds of books, the importance of chemistry you will get, or you can also search by online. All the things now today you are getting online, means the information like these things. Now students, first of all we will see the nature of chemistry. Now in the nature, you will notice that means how it is divided into different categories. Now mainly Students, chemistry is traditionally classified into 5 branches. Primarily I have said 4, but in your textbook they have given the 5 different traditional branches are there. In that, first of all, we will see organic, inorganic, physical. These are the main branches. Organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, and the remaining biochemistry, industrial chemistry. Now students, these are the main 5 branches of what you can say chemistry, which are traditionally divided into these 5 categories. Now students, I will introduce the different kinds of these branches very in short. Once you want the detailed knowledge of this chemistry, you can search online, you will get the number of examples. But in short, I will discuss all these branches. Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the different kinds of properties, or we can say the different kinds of studies. For example, if you want to synthesize any chemical, or you can say the molecule, then you want to take the help of this organic chemistry. Means all the chemical reactions which are going to synthesize, means synthesis of the molecules. For that you have to take the help of this organic chemistry. And the important thing is that carbon, hydrogen, sometimes oxygen, these are the basic elements of this subject or this branch, that is organic chemistry. As well as in different kinds we can define the organic chemistry. In the organic chemistry you will learn the different kinds of reactions and the mechanisms which are included in it. Means suppose if you are going to take an example of carbon plus oxygen and it will form carbon dioxide. So this is one of the example that we have taken. This is a simple single step reaction. Whenever you are going to observe, you will notice that this is a single step reaction. But if you look that reaction through the organic chemistry part, then you will get the different steps. That steps are nothing but we are calling it the mechanism of that reaction. So this is the organic reaction. And in organic reactions, the different molecules you can modify into means the required, according to your required situation, you can modify that molecules into different kinds and you can change their properties. Means this is a wide branch of chemistry. And also polymer chemistry is also there, which also comes under this category, and you can study the large number of molecules, means macromolecules into this area, and different kinds of definitions are there for organic chemistry, or we can say there is a vast use of organic chemistry nowadays. So this is the primary branch, or we can say the important first branch of this chemistry, organic chemistry. Now students, we are going to learn, or we are going to see the inorganic chemistry also. What is the difference between organic and inorganic? Students, here in our periodic table, they are provided with n number of elements, but out of that 118 elements are nowadays discovered, and we are going to learn all these elements. So all this study included in the inorganic chemistry subject, and all the metals, non-metals and metalloids, all the properties and their discovery, all these things we are going to learn in the inorganic chemistry branch. So this is also very important branch of this chemistry. Now students, we are going to see the third branch, that is physical chemistry. Now physical chemistry also has some important uses, or you can say this is also a heart of this chemistry branch. And in this case, students, physical chemistry means all the physical states of the different chemical reactions as well as the matter we are going to discuss in this area, and the heat energy transformations, different kinds of state of that molecule or the reaction or the situation or the atmospheric temperature, pressure, all these measurable quantities comes under this category, that is physical chemistry. So this is also a very important branch of the chemistry. Now students, we are going to learn the fourth branch of chemistry, that is biochemistry. Students, you already know about the different kinds of biological things. In your 10th standard, you already learned all these things. So this is the combination of these two subjects, biology as well as chemistry. So it will form biochemistry. Means which things are included in this branch. Means all the facts which are related with the biology and the chemical changes which are taking place in it, all these things are included in this biochemistry. Suppose if we have taken an example of one of the animal and we have to test the blood sample of it, then what we have to do at the time, we have to take the help of chemistry. Means all the chemicals which are present in that animal or the human body, in that their blood, you will discover the different chemicals which are present either in normal condition or not normal conditions. So all these things you will learn in the area of biochemistry. Now students, the fifth branch of the chemistry is nothing but industrial chemistry, or we can say the analytical chemistry. This is the another name of this branch. Students, nowadays chemistry has wide applications in our day-to-day life. Without chemistry, we cannot imagine our life. So, by considering this statement, industrial chemistry is the very important branch of this chemistry. By this branch, you will discover, or if you do the research in this area, then you will get an idea how to make different things with the help of chemistry. All these ideas you will get in this branch, that is analytical or industrial chemistry. Now students, in industrial chemistry, all the synthesis will comes under this category, and once we have made the synthesis of one of the molecules, then you have to go through the different testings. Means you have to take the TLC, you have to take the mass spectrum, NMR spectrum, IR spectrum, all these testings and the related factors which comes under the branch, that is industrial chemistry. Means qualitative as well as quantitative analysis we are done by this branch, that is we are calling it as the industrial chemistry. Means whenever you are going to discover one of the drug or the chemical, then you have to take the help of this branch of chemistry, that is industrial chemistry. By the testing all these things, you will assure that the prepared chemical compound or the synthesized material is in pure state or not. You can judge with the taking the help of this branch, that is fifth branch, that is industrial chemistry. So in our today's lecture, students, we have covered all these things and the introduction to the 11th standard chemistry. So students, you are going to learn the different kinds of chemistry things in our next lectures also. So by considering all the details, you have to keep by subscribing this channel and like all the videos. Now students, in our next lecture we are going to continue with our syllabus. So please like, subscribe and share these videos. Thank you very much.